Morning, students. Yesterday I have given some problems for practice. Today I shall just revise the question, or you may one or two correction. So this was the first question, right? This is the question. We have to integrate cos 5x plus cos 4x divided by 1 minus 2 cos x. Apply cos c plus cos d, which is 2 cos c plus d by 2 means 9x by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 means 5x minus 4x, that is x by 2. And in denominator we have 1 minus 2 cos 3x dx. Now rationalize it by sin 3x, means multiply numerator and denominator by sin 3x. So in numerator we have first sin 3x. Apply the formula for sin 2 theta here. So we should write 2 sin 3x by 2 into cos 3x by 2, half angle formula for sin 2 theta. And here we have 2 cos 9x by 2 into cos x by 2. Now in denominator, your first term is sin 3x, so leave it, because multiplied by 1 is sin 3x. But second term we have 2 cos 3x into sin 3x, 2 sin theta into cos theta, 2 cos theta into sin theta is sin 2 theta, means 2 into 3x, which is 6x into dx. So in next step we have sin 3x by 2 cos 3x by 2, and this becomes 4. So 4 is constant, so take it outside integration. How much left? Sin 3x by 2 into cos 3x by 2 into cos 9x by 2 into cos x by 2. And in denominator sin c minus sin d, it is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2, that is c minus d by 2, that is 3x by 2 into cos 9x c plus d by 2 into cos 9x by 2 dx. Again some terms should be cancelled, sin 3x and cos 9x by 2. How much left? This is again cancels here. Minus 2 comes outside bracket. Cos 3x by 2 into cos x by 2. Cos 3x by 2 into cos x by 2. Again rationalize it by 2, or 2 cos a into cos b. These two should cancel. 2 cos a into cos b means cos a plus b, 3x by 2 plus x by 2 plus cos a minus b means cos 3x by 2 minus x by 2 dx. This becomes 4x by 2, that is cos 2x, plus cos x. Now separate them and integrate. So integration of cos 2x will be sin 2x by 2 minus sin x by 2 that is your result. This is your answer. Your next question is, I think your next question was 8x plus 3 integrate 8x plus 3 divided by under root 4x plus 7. Your next question was integrate under root 8x plus 3 divided by under root 4x plus 3. So first take out 8 outside integration, means this should be written as x plus 3 by 8 divided by under root 4x plus 7 into dx. And in next step, multiply both sides of both terms of numerator by 4. So it should further written as 8 by 4 into integral of 4x plus 3 by 2 divided by under root 4x plus 7. Now separate it into two integrals. See how we write. This term should be written as 2 into 4x add 7 and subtract 7 plus 3 by 2 by under root 4x plus 7. Here in numerator we just add and subtract 7. Sorry, it was 13 perhaps in question C. Now separate it into two integrals. The first one is 2 into integral of 4x plus 7 divided by root 4x plus 7. After cancellation it becomes under root 4x plus 7 dx. 13 by 2 minus 7. So 13 by 2 minus 7 is minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 to integral of 4x plus 7 to the power minus 1 by 2 dx. Now integrate them. Integration is now your 2 into 4x plus 7 to the power 1 by 2 plus 1, which is 3 by 2, divided by 3 by 2, and coefficient of x is here multiplied with 4, minus 1 by 2, 4x plus 7 power minus 1 by 2, so minus 1 by 2 plus 1, it becomes 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 and coefficient of 4 is here. Simplify this one and you will get your result. That will be 2 into 3, that is 6, 1/6 into 4x plus 7 to the power 3/2. Similarly, 2 and 2 should cancel here, and these 2 multiplied, then it becomes 1/4 into 4x plus 7 to the power 1/2. This is your result, plus C, and hence this is your result. You may further simplify also. 4x plus 7 by 3 minus 4x plus 7 power 1/2 by 2. That should be also your correct. Your next question was, it does not tally with all same question numbers. Question numbers may vary, so please check yourself. Your next question was, integrate sine to the power 8x minus cos to the power 8x divided by 1 minus 2 sine square x into cos square x dx. I have given this question. Integrate sine 8x minus cos 8x, sine 8x minus cot 8x divided by 1 minus 2 sine square x into cos square x. Perhaps it was question number 3. So just factorize it. Apply the formula for a square minus b square. This is sine 4x whole square minus cos 4x whole square. So a plus b sine to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x into a minus b sine to the power 4x minus cos to the power 4x divided by, this 1 should be written as, sine square x plus cos square x is 1. So sine square x plus cos square x whole square, sine square x plus cos square x, that is 1, and its square is also 1, minus 2 sine square x into cos square x dx. Now this is sine to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x into sine to the power 4x minus cos to the power 4x. See here, a plus b whole square minus 2ab. A plus b whole square minus 2ab is formula for a square plus b square. Your a is sine square x, so its square is sine to the power 4x. Similarly, cos to the power 4x dx. Sine to the power 4x and cos to the power 4x should cancel here. Now see how much left. We have left only sine to the power 4x minus cos to the power 4x. Again apply the formula for a square minus b square, that is sine square x minus cos square x into sine square x plus cos square x dx. That is formula for a square minus b square. Sine square x plus cos square x together becomes 1. Here take minus as a common. and take it outside integration. So it reduces to cos square x minus sin square x, and cos square x minus sin square x is formula for cos 2x. Now integrate. Integration of cos 2x is sin 2x, so it is minus sin 2x by 2 plus constant c. This is your answer. So students, if you submit your answer, so please write very carefully and answer be visible clearly. It is better to write in good handwriting. So now your one more question was x cube dx divided by x plus 1 whole square. This was the question. X cube dx divided by x plus 1 whole square, and I think this question was question number 2. Check yourself. Using division method, so if we divide it, then do you know long division? So this should be written as integral of x cube by x plus 1 whole square should be x minus 2 plus 3x plus 2 divided by x plus 1 whole square. Divide them. Now write within a bracket. Now separate them. The first is x into dx. Its integration is quite simple. The second is integral of 2 into dx. It is again simple. The third one is 3x plus 2 by x plus 1 whole square. This should be written as 3x plus 3 minus 1. I just change this 2 as 3 minus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square dx. Again separate it into two integrals. That should be x dx minus 2 into integral of 1 dx, 3x plus 3 by x plus 1 whole square. 3 should taken as common and take it outside integral. X plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square, it means it is 1 upon x plus 1 minus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square dx. Now integrate. Integration of x is x square by 2 minus 2 into x plus 3 into log x plus 1, and its integration power goes to numerator. Minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 upon x plus 1. This minus becomes positive plus constant c. So I think all problems must be solved, must be cleared by all of you. So see the next class tomorrow. Thank you.